Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin as an admin. This matters because system UI tweaks need elevated rights. First, make a restore point and note pinned items so you can restore layout if needed. Open Settings, then Apps Installed Apps to inspect running apps. You want a clean state. Once done, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Make sure Explorer Restart is possible. If not, sign out and sign in. Now, move to Registry or Group Policy Edits carefully. Now you modify the registry to remove the Overflow menu. This directly alters taskbar behavior. In Regedit, go to the Advanced key and create or edit the word that controls Taskbar Overflow. Set it to 0 to hide. Make sure to close Registry Editor only after confirming the value. After that, switch back to Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, and click Restart. If Explorer restarts cleanly, inspect the taskbar. Open multiple windows. Finish by repinning any apps and tailoring taskbar size and behaviors in Settings Personalization so your workflow is intact. If something went wrong, immediately restore the registry backup or roll back to the system restore point you made earlier. This undoes the overflow change safely. If the taskbar is unstable, run sfc/scanno to repair system files and check Windows Update for a fix. One key troubleshooting tip. If Explorer crashes repeatedly, create a new user profile to isolate corrupted user settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.